the line for the Maid of the Mist. We are getting tickets to get on board. These are all the ticket station. And we're gonna drop the doggies off so we can go on a boat ride. Yeah, right, babies? I know. This is the line. The line for the Maid of the Mist. You can see the falls there in the background. That's the Rainbow Bridge. Falls. We are in this long line of people. That's the Canadian side. That's the Rainbow Bridge. Canadian side.
Life jackets and printed instructions on how to wear them are stored and displayed in various locations throughout the vessel. We encourage you to take a few moments to find the closest location to you and review the instructions. Also, for your own safety, please keep your hands and feet inside the boat at all times. Please refrain from standing on the seats or the metal boxes on the deck of the boat. Please keep youngsters off all railings. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to speak to one of our crew members. Maid of the Mist boats have been sailing the border between the two friendly nations of the United States and Canada since 1846. The first Maid of the Mist vessel was a twin-stack coal-fired steamboat. In 1885, our boats evolved to single-stack steamboats that ventured closer to the Horseshoe Falls than any boat ever had before. In 1955, the first modern Maid of the Mist boat entered the river, made of steel and powered by twin diesel engines. We appreciate and enjoy the beauty of this natural wonder just as much as our thousands of yearly visitors. We know we have a responsibility to help protect it. That's why we created two of North America's first newly built all-electric vessels. These zero-emission boats offer an experience that is undisturbed by engine noise, vibration, or exhaust fumes, and are unlike any others that journey to the heart of Niagara Falls. If you look to your left, you'll see the American Falls. It is 180 feet high, or about 55 meters. 12,000 years ago, the falls were 7 miles, 7 kilometers downriver at least. You see them now at their present location because of erosion. This happens at a rate of approximately 6 feet, or 2 meters in 1954. The small falls to the right of the American Falls is called the Bridal Valley. The walkway at its foot leads to the Cave of the Winds. Separating the American Falls from the Canadian Falls is Rhode Island. Our all-new, all-electric These new boats are the first of their kind in North America and are named after two important people without whom these boats would not exist. The Nikola Tesla is named in honor of the inventor and electrical engineer. Tesla made history when he harnessed the energy of Niagara Falls to create power that could travel great distances. It was a massive engineering breakthrough, pioneered right here at Niagara, changing our lives forever. The James V. Glynn is named for the chairman and chief executive officer.
That's the Cave of the Wind.
Glynn joined the company in 1950 as a ticket seller. During his tenure, Maid of the Mist expanded operations, achieving tenfold growth. In 2020, in his 70th year with the Maid of the Mist, the company announced the naming of the vessel James V. Glynn in his honor. Its brink is 2,500 feet long, or 760 meters. Here, daredevils have made their bid for fame. The first, in 1901, was a school teacher named Annie Taylor. Annie was 63 years old when she went over the falls in a wooden barrel and lived. In 1960, an almost unbelievable event occurred. A 7-year-old boy named Roger Woodward was swept over the falls wearing only a bathing suit and a simple life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued almost at this exact spot by a Maid of the Mist boat. To the far left of the Horseshoe Falls is Terrapin Point, where the international borderline between the United States and Canada lies. Beneath us, the water plunges to a depth of 180 feet, or 55 meters. The water that flows over the falls comes from 4 of the 5 Great Lakes. From here, the water goes down the Niagara River, into Lake Ontario, into the St. Lawrence River, and finally to the Atlantic Ocean. As we approach this iconic wonder, we once again remind you that for your own safety, please keep hands and feet inside the boat and do not stand in the seats or the metal boxes on the deck. Please keep youngsters off all railings. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Niagara Falls. good time to let you know that you just stood before 600,000 gallons, or 2.3 million liters of water, pouring over the falls per second. That rush is what makes Niagara Falls one of the world's largest sources of clean hydroelectric power, providing up to 2.5 million kilowatts of electricity. Tesla's revolutionary spirit continues to inspire us, and is one of the many reasons for our new all-electric boats. This leading-edge technology is being employed in this context in the United States for the very first time. No small feat in maritime transportation. The lithium-ion batteries are charged between every trip. Our shoreside charging system fully charges each boat in 7 minutes and does so without disruption to our boarding or disembarking process. The batteries also eliminate the need for any diesel or combustion-based backup propulsion systems, creating the smoothest, quietest ride for our passengers, all done without any exhaust or emissions.
That moment I can hardly see anything. That's where we came from, right there. And then we went down the elevator to get to the boat. You have a raincoat. That's a raincoat.
Of the mist. We hope you enjoyed your journey to the heart of this natural wonder. At this time, we are readying ourselves for docking. Please prepare for any sudden movements of the vessel. If you do not wish to take your souvenir rain poncho with you, please deposit it into one of the recycling bins located on shore. Thank you. We hope you continue to enjoy exploring the wonder of Niagara Falls and all its surroundings. Please visit us again here on the Maid of the Mist.
Yeah, this is the Canadian version of the Maid of the Mist. I don't know what it is, but they are wearing red ponchos, and we on the American side are wearing the blue ponchos. Yeah, but it wasn't hot when you got there. Yeah, Echinacea. Rainbow Bridge. Back up here. Hey, the tour is over. It was probably what, like a 20-minute thing? These are all the people that we were at the boat with, and now we're headed back with our doggies. It's really nice here. You guys should really come.